Hi everyone, so yeah, that's it. That's the final video of Scotland for this year. I hope you enjoyed it. The site we stayed at is beautiful. I'd highly recommend you stay here. We had some fantastic days out. We were hampered a bit by the rain. We had 2 days of rain, but other than that, we had pretty decent weather. So I'll give you one final view of the site. Highly recommend this place for a week. It's beautiful surroundings, lovely staff, and there's some absolutely beautiful places that you can explore in the area. So please be sure, if you've not seen them yet, check out the videos that I have done in the area. It's all family stuff that we've done. Family walks you can take your kids on. There's we've walked down to the village. We've done the Big Yin walk on this estate, which is worth doing. We visited some beautiful waterfalls. Probably the best waterfalls I've ever seen in my life, actually, and I've seen a lot of waterfalls. I know we'd had heavy rain, but yeah, Puck's Glen is definitely one of the best places to visit if you're in the area and you don't mind the drive. I would highly recommend Puck's Glen. The waterfalls were just absolutely amazing. So if you've not checked that video out, folks, go and check out my Puck's Glen video, because it's extraordinary. Like I say, we'd had a lot of rain the day before, but wow, honestly, what a place. What a place. So other places that we visited, I'd highly recommend that you call into and check out. So Inverary, a lot of people know what Inverary is. I've probably been there. It's a big tourist visiting town. Beautiful castle at Inverary, and then definitely worth a walk up to Dun na Cwch. I don't know if I've said that correctly, but yeah, a lovely walk up there with the family. I really enjoyed that. We did see a lot of people attempting to walk up it and then having to turn around and go back. It is a moderate climb, I'd say. Walk up, but well laid footpaths, so just make sure you've got some decent footwear for it. There's my suggestion on that one. The Beaver Trail, we enjoyed the walk, although we didn't see any beavers. It was a lovely area, there was no one around. We had it pretty much all to ourselves. That was definitely worth the walk. Dochgollifaird was a nice little town, place to sit and eat an ice cream from the co-op, and then heading up the coast and checking out the standing stones on the A816, going up to the Netherlargy standing stones, the Netherlargy South Cairn. You can do that all in one go, and the Largy Mid Cairn. Check out the Kilmartin Museum and the sculptured stones there, and then from there head up a bit further up and check out the Carnassery Castle. Highly recommend you do that as well. Again, these are all videos that I've made that you can see for yourself and check out. If you want to check out the Beaver Trail, it's at Knapdale, so just look for Knapdale Beaver Trail. There's another fantastic place to visit. So yeah, overall, we had a great time. Oh, I did mention as well, we went to sea life at Loch Lomond, which we really enjoyed. The otters there, love seeing the otters there. So yeah, highly recommend this part of Scotland. Beautiful. So yep, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching today. Please remember to check out the playlist so you can see all the fun adventures we had here in Scotland. And a massive thank you to the gold members of the channel. I hope you go and check those channels out. And at the end here, please remember to check out the playlist and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you.